Hello, then I would like to show you my proposal about the Promised Land Data Center. In this proposal, we would like to uh, include a file server rule. First one is the SSH server. This uh, this server will securely log onto the remote system using encryption. The, the next server will be web server. Uh, this server is this is responsible for accepting HTTP requests from the web browsers, such as sending emails and documents. Next up is the file server. This machine or server uh, that have been set up and configured to let the other machines stores and retrieve files to and from the central location. And lastly, the mail server. This server will send and receive and restores emails from the user. Now, this is my uh, virtual setup for our data center. I will start it up. While the system is booting, uh, there are so many files that has been loaded, including the GUI that we have installed. The GUI that we use in here is Mateg because it's simple and easy to use. I will wait for a while to set it up. Almost there. now log in. And then the system will boot up for the GUI. So now the system has booted. You can see on the other, besides from me, or the admin, there are, oops, listed here are the other, what you call these users from this data center. I will send enter my password. Let's wait for a while. Okay, open the terminal. This is my terminal. Okay, now I would like to show you this partition layout. In here, we have four drives of partition. This one, this one, SB1, SB2, C1, C3, C2. That will be used for the uh, that that partition will be used by the different parts of the organization. Remember that we have four organizations: the operations, the application, the infrastructure, and the CRM. Okay, okay, right. Let's proceed to the other. Okay, for our firewall, EFW status. Oh, I will enter the. Our place is noisy. Okay. I will show you the organizations and file permissions. Here we have four groups: the operations, the application, the infrastructure, and the CRM. Okay. Now I will show you the file permissions. As you can, oh, there's no. Now this is our firewall. It is active. As you can see, we have activated allow the port 8022, and also we have Samba Apache. Okay, and Calico. Our uh, security measures. We have we will uh, s- securely install the lockdown user accounts. This is to check the accounts with empty passwords, lock accounts, and disable root logging. Another security is to monitor system activities. Uh, will- this is to monitor all the log in the file system. We will also use file encryption so that uh, there is no opportunity for the hackers or other impers- infiltrators to access the system. We will perform regular penetration testing so that we can still monitor if there is a downside in our system and use the built-in security mechanism such as firewalls, firmware verification, Linux kernel lockdown, and other security. And also we will use application whitelisting. It will only allow what uh, we will use in our system. In our message of the day, we will I will show you. color is yellow. This will show the my banner and also the message. This is an icon tab. This is to reboot every 2 years. We have installed our repositories and packages are updated into the system. And lastly, we installed Mate GUI to securely set so that the system will be easy to use. That is now for our